you ain't got the clutch all the way down. All right, I'll do it. Ha! Ha! Sorry, sir. Can I get a detailing service? Why not? Can't be closed. I can't get no detailing service. Hey, sir, can I get a service? Can I get a detailing service?
Detailing service?
Yeah. How much would that be?
How much will it be?
Yeah. Let me turn off my obnoxious car.
It's gonna run you about $200.
$200?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it?
What are you trying to do?
No, I mean, you just gave me a price. I want to do everything for $200. Got it.
Oh, no.
No. You said $200. You just gave me a price.
It depends.
Hey, $200, man.
Yeah.
No.
What? You said what? You said $200. What I want? Everything. $200. Deal. Shake on it. Here. Shake on it. No? Ah! Estimate Ayana the code before you start yelling at him. He just said 15 minutes. 15. What do you mean? Because you about to do some work. It's faster, sir. Need you to clean it, but, you know, if it hurts your feelings. Right, Reek, just make sure it's not in gear. Here, give it to Reek. Let him do some more. Yeah, I know. Just hold it to the ground there. All right, start your engine.